Greetings, and welcome to another breakfast edition of Rudy Eats. Today we have Halloween Crunch. Captain Crunch's spooky October celebration, harvest celebration. On the back, you have a wonderful stencil you can put on your pumpkin and make it look like the captain. I'll probably save that. It lets you know that the largest pumpkin ever grown weighed over 1,800 pounds. It's impressive. And you have an advertisement on the side for Oops All Berries and Chocolatey Crunch, which I've never seen. I'm gonna Google that and see if that actually ever existed, because I don't recall it. And it encourages you to visit Captain Crunch on Facebook. Now the big draw of this cereal is, I guess these are ghosts. They don't really look like ghosts, but use your imagination. It says the ghosts turn milk green. Looks kind of like slime. So that's the main attraction of this. So hopefully it won't let us down. And we have your usual Cap'n Nuggets. And yeah, these don't look like ghosts. They look like feet. Got a bowl of feet for breakfast. And I don't know why they're pink. That's confusing to me. But I didn't make it, so I'm not going to apologize for it. And let's see if the miraculous change takes place as we've been promised. This song is not copyrighted, so please don't flag it, YouTube. I made it up on my own. Alright. As you can see, the milk has turned green. Not really green I would associate with Halloween. It looks more like mint chip ice cream. Unfortunately, it's not going to taste like a bowl of mint chip ice cream, which would be a pretty awesome breakfast now that I think about it. And some of these, I don't know why, but some of these look healthy, and then some of them look a little diseased. I don't know why are only some of them packed with the color-changing, mystical color-changing ingredient. I don't know. Maybe it's because those particular ones don't look appetizing. Look like they're sort of rotting from the inside out. As much as I appreciate the effort and the gimmick and the wonderful box they've provided us with, it's just Captain Crunch. I would, it does slightly disappoint me when companies release a limited edition of their product and it's just simply they added some food coloring to it or changed the shape of some of the items therein. Seems a little lazy, but I don't know, it's a pretty decent gimmick, so I'll give him a pass. So run over to Big Lots and get yourself some, what the heck is this called? Halloween Crunch.